morning students. Welcome back in the online classes subject EVS. Children, as you know that in the previous lecture we have finished lesson number 7 of EVS and we have completed workbook writing too. I hope you have completed workbook writing. Now let's start with lesson number 8, our need for water. Okay? As you know that we need water for our daily use. So, in this lesson we are going to see actually why we need water and which are the uses of water for us. Okay? Before that, let's see one question. Can you tell? This happens, doesn't it? Sometimes tears flow from our eyes. Our mouth waters when we see tamarind pod. Our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us? Children, as you know that when we cry, tears flow from our eyes. Okay? Then our mouth waters when we see tamarind pod. Here you can see tamarind pod in the hands of girls. That time our mouth waters. Our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. So, tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow, they contain water. Children, when we cry, tears come out. Saliva is present in our mouth. Okay? Water running from the nose when we have cold. Okay? And blood. These all substances flow. These all substances flow means they contain water. Children, let's try one experiment here, but you are not going to do it without permission of your parents. So you have to do it with the help of your parents. Children, you have to take a small piece of cucumber. Okay, then you have to grate it and squeeze it hard. You have to grate it with this thing. Okay, it's available at your house. Okay, then squeeze it hard. Take in the palm and squeeze it. Then one more thing you have to do, take one slice of the lemon and squeeze it. This we are doing when we are eating. That time we use lemon, we squeeze it. Okay, so when we do these things, what happens? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. Here you can see juice flows out from that. Okay, so what does this thing tell us? Water flows out from the cucumber and the lemon. Means what is present in the cucumber and lemon? Water. So water is present in the cucumber and lemon. Through this experiment we can understand. Next point, what is it? Why do we feel thirsty? Okay, we feel thirsty when you are in the school. You are asking your teacher again and again, teacher, may I drink water? Teacher, may I drink water? Do you remember? Yes. So, why are you asking such a things? Because you feel thirsty. You want to drink water. Am I right? So, why we feel thirsty? We need water if our body has to function properly. We need water for the proper functioning of our body. Okay, keep this point in your mind properly. We need water for the proper functioning of the body. Water keeps our blood thin. Okay, water keeps our blood thin, as we have seen that water is present in the blood. Water helps to digest our food. Okay, we eat food and for the proper digestion we need the help of water in the body. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. Okay, through urine we are throwing out unwanted substances with the help of water. We must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things too need water. So when there is lack of water in our body, we feel thirsty, and that time we should drink water. Okay, because our body need water that time for the proper functioning. So that time we should drink water. Okay, clear? Now let's see on the next page, page number 47. Can you tell which animals are drinking water at the river bank? You can see here is a river bank, and which animals are drinking water there? Here you can see goat. Okay, goats are there, and here is cow in the water itself. Okay, who is playing in the river? Children are playing in the river. Here you can see children. Yes or no? Some people are carrying water home. What will they use it for? Some people are carrying the water from the river to home. So for what purpose they will use this water? They can use it for washing clothes, okay, cleaning utensils, and for other purposes. For the animals also they can use this water. A public source of water. Like these things are called as public source of water, means where anyone can come and can take the water for their use. Okay, it is for public. So such a source of water is called as a public source of water. Okay, let's see. In many villages, cows, buffaloes and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like the lapwing, kingfisher and egret can also be seen around the water source. People from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. Okay, so just now we have seen in the picture. Okay, in many villages such type of pond or the source of water can be seen. So here many animals like cows, buffaloes, goats can come in the river to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Here you can see grass and bushes of the plants are there, and animals bath themselves in it. Here you can see an animal is taking bath. Okay, birds like the lapwing. Here you can see birds. Okay, which type of birds? Name of the birds: lapwing and kingfisher and egret. Okay, these birds can be seen around the water source. People from the village wash their clothes. Here you can see, and they carry water to use at home. Here you can see. So here you have seen what is it? It is a public source of water.